Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Railways Minister Mamata Banerjee to open IFFI 2010. Ravindra Bhavan to screen 27 cinemas this year. IFFI to showcase 4 days documentary film fest. Congress reacts to Dayanand Narvekar. Narvekar degraded himself by claiming only Bardes. He should now think of Goa, says Vishnu Wagh. Contradictions over cracked cruise. Ocean Life continues. MPT Deputy Chairman PC Parida says there was no crack in the ship. Over in sports, Goa crushed Jharkhand by an innings and 127 runs registered their first Ranji Trophy win of this season. Jagati claims 10 wickets to bag Man of the Match prize. And team from Kolkata will take part in GPL, says Dayanand Narvekar. Spectators will have to buy tickets to watch GPL matches. And now the news in detail. It's good news for Madgaon cars. 27 films from IFFI will be screened at Ravindra Bhavan, Madgaon. Due to absence of I&B Minister Ambika Soni, Railways Minister Mamata Banerjee is most likely to inaugurate IFFI 2010. During IFFI, there will be 4-day documentary film festival on Indian classical dances and gurus. Here is a report.
Goa is all set to host the 41st International Film Festival of India. As another official venue, Ravindra Bhavan will screen 27 movies of IFFI.
They can get registered in Margam. We are making arrangement on the spot registration.
So delegate agent to gela tanga match.
Tanga match. Delegates are all allowed. But in addition, Margam people who are not be registered in delegate, even they go there to want to see a film, they'll get spot registration. She is not looking well, slightly indisposed. So most probably she may depute Mamata Banerjee.
Unlike last year, there are no plans for closing government offices by 4 o'clock during this film festival. Goa government says many people are making use of their state film finance scheme. Entry of Goans in short film category is a good outcome. Goa government has also favoured signing of MOU with Centre every year as a new program get added each year for the 10-day festival. On 24th November, as a part of IFFI, Kala Academy will host a 4-day documentary film festival on Indian classical dances and gurus. Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi are some of the well-known Indian classical music icons who will attend this 4-day event. Just Another Love Story, Moner Manush and Vihir are 3 Indian movies that will compete in the international section during IFFI. To mark birth centenary of Hindi film icon Ashok Kumar, some of his films will be screened at the festival. Films of Dadasaheb Phalke awardees V.K. Murthy and D. Ramanaidu are also scheduled for IFFI. Screening of 3 Idiots and India's Oscar entry Peoply Live are other big attractions for this IFFI. With Bureau Inputs, Rakesh Kanolkar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent Media.
Congress spokesperson Vishnu Surya Wagh has sarcastically commented that Narvekar has lowered his image in Congress by asking control only over Bardes Taluka. He says why Narvekar wants to restrict himself in Bardes when he is a state leader. Narvekar had demanded control over Bardes constituencies. Vishnu further said that they are yet to receive any official intimation from Narvekar on his demands.
की जर तांकां बार्देसांचे 7 तालुक्यांचेर जर दिवना कॅन्डिडेट डिसायड करपाक जाल्यार ते एक वेळ रिवोल्ट पार्टीचे अगेन्स्ट रिवोल्ट करून नवी पार्टी काडटले म्हणून जाल्यार काँग्रेस पक्षाचो हाजेर कितें रिएक्शन?
इतलो ज्येष्ठ राजकारणी जाणे आपल्या आयुश्यांतलो बरोचसो काळो काँग्रेस पक्षा बरोबरूच घालयला, ताजेर काँग्रेस आपूण सोडटलो म्हणपाची पाळी कित्याक येता हे पयली गोश्ट म्हणजे म्हाका कळना. दुसरी गोश्ट, दयानंद भाई जर म्हणटा की आपणाक बार्देसच्यो 7 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो ताबो दियात जाल्यार आपूण पक्ष सोडटलो. हांवें मुलाखत काय आयकुना, पण जें कितें आयकलां ताजे वयल्यान म्हाका दिसता की तो स्वताकूच ल्हान करून घेता. ही इज एक्चुली अ स्टेट लिडर. ताणें अशें म्हणूं जाय की आपणाक कमीत कमी प्रदेशाध्यक्ष तरी करात. आपूण सबंद गोंयभर धुमाकूळ घालून काँग्रेस पक्षाक जैत मिळोवन दितलो. बार्देसचेरूच लक्ष कित्याक? दयानंद नार्वेकारान फक्त बार्देश पुरतो मर्यादीत कित्याक रावचो? आमची तर अपेक्षा आसा की ताणें सबंद राज्यभर आपूण सक्रीय जावन काँग्रेस घटमूट करतलो अशें म्हणपा जाय.
काँग्रेस आतां कितें विचार बीन करतले की नार्वेकाराच्या डिमांड्साचेर की 7 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो ताका ताबो दिवचो बीन हाचेर?
अजून कितें आसा, आमचे कडेन फॉर्मली अशें कांय निवेदन पावल्लें ना. समजा प्रेसाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आयलां आसत, ताजेर पक्ष पातळीचेर तितली गंभीरपणे चर्चा जावचें ना. जर दयानंद भाईक खरेंच इच्छा आसा जाल्यार ताणें सोनिया गांधी कडेन अशी मागणी करची, ज्यो आमच्या पक्षाच्यो अध्यक्ष आसात त्यो जरूर ताजेर विचार करतल्यो आनी ज्या प्रमाणे तांकां जें कितें दिवपा जाय तें दितल्यो.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent Media.
Deputy Chairman of MPT PC Parida has denied any threat to the lives of people in Ocean Life Valletta ship venturing into Mumbai from Goa. He said that there was a slight dent in the hull which was easy to repair. Now interestingly, Coast Guard had claimed of a big crack in the boat.
PC Parida informed that the ship was not wrecked and that she could have managed to sail to Bombay without any threat to the lives of people. But the captain lowered the risk of sailing and returned back to the port.
I have gone for inspection. Morning I went there. Everything vessel is okay. Vessel is floating completely. There no problem. There was some leak or some slight or dent someplace. A small leak was there, and there are no huge water, nothing. Hard huge water. How the vessel sail here and again floating for 2 days without anything. But as a precaution, they brought back when they found slight leakage somewhere, they brought back the vessel to the port.
Ocean Life Valletta ship, which was supposed to sail from Goa to Bombay, would have claimed life of around 400 people. Earlier, even the Coast Guard had said that the ship left the port on Monday but to return back after a crack in one of its hull. The ship was back to the port for repairs. PC Parida said that the ship will be set to sail again after a thorough checking.
The water is in the lower deck of the thing. There is no water in the passenger room at all. I saw today the line, जो बॉटम है ना, बॉटम से 2 फुट वाटर था, वाटर मार्क इज देयर, एंड दैट इंजन रूम इज अराउंड आई कैन से अराउंड 10 फीट 11 फीट, उसका ऊपर में डेक है. सो हु टोल्ड कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग एवरीथिंग. दैट डेंट, द वेसल हैज नो डेंजर फॉर 1 to 2 days for the vessel at all. The way the water was coming and they're pumping water, the vessel can run for 3 days no problem.
Although everything seems fine, confusion has been created due to different versions from the MPT and the Coast Guard. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Public blocked the road in Kolam, Kempe following a fatal accident on Friday evening. A swift car banged local Sanjay Diekar, who died on the spot. Furious people demanded a control over ever-increasing mining traffic on this route. Deputy Collector of Kempe told us that police will regulate and monitor the traffic from Monday.
Sanjay Dekar, a local from Kolam, lost his life after a swift car banged him on Friday evening. He died on the spot. A local witnessed the incident and narrated what exactly had happened.
100 स्पीडे येताना तो ठाम आवाज आयकना फुडें हांव फाटल्यान वळून पळयलें आनी परतोन येयना फुडें तो सामको वन द स्पॉट हांगसा मारून बरो 70 मिटरांचेर व्हरोन ताका उडयलो. आनी तो वन द स्पॉट हालचाल न्हू कांय ना, ताणें असो धप दिला झाडां मात तसो मारलो ताका.
Furious people released their anguish over this incident. They blocked the transport on this route and demanded Deputy Collector's intervention in this matter. Later, Deputy Collector visited the site.
रस्ता लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जालो म्हणटी आमी मेंटेन करता. आता मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट काम मायनिंगा कांयच प्रॉब्लेम येना. कितें मायनिंग प्रॉब्लेम ना, पूण टाइम जाय. एस म्हणजे मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान करपा जाय, इम्प्लिमेंट करपा जाय. हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर तशी आसा. हांव पासून कलेक्टराक हांव कळलो. सपोज ऑर्डर कलेक्टर म्हाका ऑर्डर सपोज फॉलो करना जाल्यार कोणी रूल आदी घेवप. ऑर्डर सपोज फॉलो करना जाल्यार तुम्ही करपाय म्हणटा.
After having a discussion with locals, Deputy Collector of Kepe, Agnello Fernandez, told us about the outcome.
सकाळी 7 ते 8 ट्रक येवपा ना रस्त्यार आनी दनपारचे बीन 1 ते 2 हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर्स कितें आहाय त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट करपा आमी प्रयत्न करतले हाका. आनी पुलिसांनी आतां पुलीस बी दवरता म्हणून आतां उतर दिला.
A reporter from Kolam, Mayur Naik.
It's time now for a short break. We'll be right back.